We begin with KZI 9 News reporter Chris Lewinberg, who has the very latest on that tragic death we first told you about late last night.
2 cases of coronavirus in the Eugene-Springfield area. One deadly, eye-opening for many.
I think we can start to expect to see the case number go up.
The first, a 69-year-old man who had contact with 2 individuals, both of whom are in self-isolation. The second, a deceased 60-year-old woman who had self-quarantined starting on the 3rd when symptoms began appearing.
You can kind of see that ramp up, about a week or so of increased symptoms and then her untimely passing.
She came into contact with 9 Eugene-Springfield first responders on the way to the hospital, all of whom are quarantined for 2 weeks. Peace Health officials say they're still investigating which caretakers had contact with the woman and the extent of the protective equipment that was used.
The emergency department physicians who responded and cared for her in the emergency department felt in their judgment that she was at risk, or they saw things that made them suspicious for coronavirus.
But for now, officials are taking precautions to make sure those caregivers aren't posing a risk.
Officials say that more testing is still needed. Under current guidelines, in many cases, symptoms need to be severe enough for hospitalization for a person to get tested.
While testing availability is on the rise, health officials say frustrations are shared. But healthcare providers must make the decision about if you need testing.
The criteria remains a fever, a cough, and also the difficulty breathing right now. So really the people that are receiving priority for testing are individuals who would need hospitalization.
As of today, 98 tests have been completed in Lane County, 15 of which are pending. Reporting in Eugene, I'm Chris Lewinberg, KZI 9 News.